ॐ असतो मा सत्कमयः त्वमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमयः मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। नमस्कार। আজকে আদিগুরু শঙ্করাচার্যের জন্মদিন। এই দিনে আসুন আমরা তাকে কিছু কথায় স্মরণ করি। আদিগুরু শঙ্করাচার্য was an Indian philosopher who consolidated the doctrine of Advaita Vedanta. Although he is credited by some with unifying and establishing the main current of thought in Hinduism, his influence on Hindu intellectual thought has been questioned until the 10th century CE. His works may have been overshadowed by his older contemporary Mandana Mishra. The historical fame and cultural influence of Sankara may have grown centuries later after his death, particularly during the era of Muslim invasions and consequent devastation of India. Adiguru Shankaracharya was born nearly 700 CE in the part of India, Kochi, where is Kochi now is situated there, and his religion was Hinduism, and he was known for the Advaita Vedanta. He was he believes on the philosophy, the Advaita Vedanta. His works in Sanskrit discuss the unity of the Atman and Nirguna Brahma, the Brahman without the attributes. He wrote several copies of the Vedic canon in support of his thesis. His works elaborate on ideas found in the Upanishads. Shankara's publication criticized the rituals-oriented Mimamsa school of Hinduism. He also explained the key difference between the Hinduism and Buddhism, stating that Hinduism asserts Atman exists, while Buddhism asserts that there is no soul, no self. So Sri Adiguru Shankaracharya traveled across the Indian subcontinent to propagate his philosophy through discourses and debates with other thinkers. He established the importance of monastic life as sanctioned in the Upanishad and Brahma Sutra in a time when the Mimamsa school established strict ritualism, ridiculed monasticism. He is reputed to have founded 4 monasteries or the mutts, which helped in the historical development, revival and spread of Advaita Vedanta, of which he was known as the greatest revivalist. Adiguru Shankaracharya is believed to be the organizer of the organization of Dasanami monastic order and unified the Shanmata tradition of worship. Works of Adiguru Shankaracharya. His works are the foundation of the Advaita Vedanta school of Hinduism, and his doctrine states Sengaku Maeda has been the source from which the main currents of modern Indian thought are derived. Over 300 texts are attributed to his name, including commentaries, original philosophical exposition, and poetry. However, most of these are not authentic works of Sankaracharya and are likely to be by his admirers or scholars whose name was also Sankaracharya. Historical context. Adiguru Sankaracharya lived in the time of great late classical Hinduism, which lasted from 650 till 1100 CE. This era was one of political instability that followed the Gupta dynasty and King Harsha of the 7th century CE. It was the time of social and cultural change as the ideas of Buddhism, Jainism, Islam and various traditions within Hinduism were competing for members. Buddhism in particular had emerged as a powerful influence in India's spiritual tradition in the first 700 years of the first millennium CE. Sankaracharya and his contemporaries made a significant contribution in understanding Buddhism and the ancient Vedic tradition, then transforming the extant ideas, particularly reforming the Vedanta tradition of Hinduism, making it India's most important tradition for more than 1,000 years. The mutt or the monastery. Adiguru Sankaracharya is regarded as the founder of Dasanami Sampradaya of Hindu monasticism and Sanmata of Smarta tradition. He unified the theistic sects into common framework of Shanmata system. Advaita Vedanta is, at least in the West, primarily known as philosophical system, but it was also a tradition of renunciation. Philosophy and renunciation are closely related. Adiguru Sankaracharya himself, considered to be an incarnation of Lord Shiva, established the Dashanami Sampradaya, organizing a section of Ekadandi monks under an umbrella grouping of 10 names. Several other Hindu monasticism and Ekadandi tradition remained outside the organization of Dasanamis. So this was a small information about Adiguru Sankaracharya. এটি ছিল আজকের রিলিজিয়াস ডিসকোর্সের একটি পার্ট। আদিগুরু শঙ্করাচার্যের জন্মদিনের এই শুভ দিনে তেনার বিষয়ে কিছু কথা আপনাদের সামনে তুলে ধরতে খুবই ভালো লাগলো আমার। আশা করি আপনারাও সবার এটি ভালো লেগেছে। আসুন কিছু গানের মাধ্যম দিয়ে আমরা আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানটিকে শেষ করি। ওম শান্তি শান্তি শান্তি, হরি ওম তৎসৎ, শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণার্পণমস্তু।
भगवती गंगे त्रिभुवनतारिणी तरल तरंगे शंकर मौली निवासिनी विमल पद्मतरङ्गिणि गङ्गे हिमविधुमुक्ता धवलतरङ्गे दूरीकुरु मम दुष्कृतिभारं कुरु कृपया मम सागरपारं तव जलममलं येन निपीतं परमपदं खलु तेन गृहीतं मातर्गङ्गे तय्यो भक्तः किल तं द्रष्टुं यमनशक्तः पतितोद्धारिणि जाह्नवी गङ्गे खण्डितगिरिवरमण्डितभङ्गे देशजननि खलु मुनिवरकन्ये पतितनिवारिणि त्रिभुवनधन्ये कल्पलतामिव फलदं लोके प्रणमति यस्त्वां न पतितशोके पारावार विहारिणि गङ्गे विबुधवधूकृत करलापाङ्गे तव कृपया चेत् स्रोतः स्नातः पुनरपि जठरे सोऽपि न जातः नरकनिपारिणि जाह्नवी गङ्गे कलुषविनाशिनि महिमोत्तुङ्गे परिलसदङ्गे पुण्यतरङ्गे जय जय जह्नवी करुणापाङ्गे इन्द्रिमुकुटमणिराजितचरणे सुखदे शुभदे सेवकशरणे रोगं शोकं पापं तापं हर मे भगवति कुमति कलापं त्रिभुवनसारे वसुधाहारे तमसि गतिर्मम खलु संसारे अलकानन्दे परमानन्दे कुरु मयि करुणा कातर वन्दे तव तदनिकटे यस्य निवासः खलु वैकुण्ठे तस्य निवासः मातर्गङ्गे 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 मातर्गङ्गे
ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ तत्सत् श्रीरामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय गुरु महाराज जी की जय, जय महामाई की जय, जय स्वामी जी महाराज जी की जय, जय दक्षिण कालिका माई की जय, जय भगवान श्री श्री रामकृष्ण देव की जय, जय आदि गुरु शंकराचार्य की जय।